This is your Schefter dashboard tutorial. Now that you've signed up and registered, let's walk through some of the features and functions of the Schefter dashboard. The three golden bricks across the top of the dashboard show the total dollar amount of Schefter revenue, your total minutes of complete calls, and your total number of calls received. Below the bricks is where you'll interact with home cooks. We'll look at this area in detail later in the tutorial. On the left side of the page is the main navigation area. We'll go tab by tab so you best know how to navigate the dashboard. Towards the bottom of the navigation area is a list of frequently asked questions for your reference. And you can always get instant support from our team by clicking on the message icon at the bottom right of the screen. We are designing Schefter to be as easy and intuitive as possible and are here to help you every step of the way. Now let's complete your profile. At the top right of the page, click on your name, then click the Settings tab to edit your profile. Here, you'll want to verify that the information is complete and correct. Your information on Schefter is completely confidential and will not be given to the public. Users will not have access to your phone number or email address. This is only for internal purposes. Load a high-res, professional quality picture for your headshot or profile. You can update it anytime you would like. Give a brief introduction that best describes your personality and culinary identity. Once you've completed this, update and scroll to the next section. Update your culinary food influences, as well as your skills and techniques. Let's look at your schedule and rate. Back at the top right of the page, click on the Reservations tab. This shows your availability for taking reservations. This can be adjusted at any time and is made to fit around your schedule. But be sure to be available and online when these times are confirmed. This is when the home cooks can be sure that you're available for cooking and given instruction that they need. There will be other ways to take calls outside of the reservation schedule, which we'll explain later in the tutorial. Now we will set your personal kitchen rate. Directly under the Reservations tab is the rates. For the main kitchen calls, prices are preset at 67 cents per minute, or about $25 an hour to you. The main kitchen is where you can build connections with home cooks and build up your following for your personal kitchen. The personal kitchen rates are market price. You decide. Charge what is fair and reasonable, especially in the early days of Schefter, when we are trying to build market awareness. PayPal banking information. On the top right taskbar, click on the banking information. All official banking information is PayPal secure and is not stored in the Schefter database. More information about the online payment process can be found at the Braintree website, the PayPal company. Uploading your recipes. On the main navigation bar on the left side of your screen is where you can upload recipes. Select Create a Recipe to get started. Be clear and professional when filling out the dish title and the description to best present your information to a large audience. Use high-resolution photos to best showcase your food. Select the style of cuisine and input the ingredients and steps to successfully upload your recipe. Recipes will post 12 to 24 hours after uploading. You can edit your recipes by clicking on the Recipe tab and then the Edit tab. You can always reorganize the steps or method, and when you're done, simply tap to save. You will see confirmation to let you know everything has been uploaded successfully. How to access your social media. Located on the bottom of the dashboard is a blue bar where your unique promo code is listed. These promo codes are designed for you to give to your fans and customers to have them call you the first time on Schefter. Use them to promote yourself everywhere. Click on the Share feature to enter the share mode. Choose your favorite social media platform and invite people to book time with you on Schefter. You can also share from recipes to best showcase your style of cooking. To ensure that both you and the home cook have the best experience, be sure that your internet connection is good and your computer is running properly. Here is how you connect with home cooks in both the main kitchen and your personal kitchen. Always make sure that when you're ready to receive calls, you update your online availability. You can only receive calls when you're updated as online. This will allow you to take calls regardless of reservation or schedule status. Periodically refresh your screen, the web page, to ensure the latest version of the dashboard. The first time you use a device, and allow confirmation to access mic and camera may appear. When the call is first received, you'll see a quick reference profile of the user. Click Answer to accept the call. When you connect, you'll arrive on the call screen. The caller's name, dietary preference, and restrictions are listed, as well as their household appliances, to better help you get to know the caller and effectively help them find a solution. The camera will not come on until after the caller activates it. You will not see the caller. We've done this on purpose to give the home cook privacy and control of what's shown in their home. Make them feel comfortable. You can help the home cook plan meals, shopping lists, and prepare upcoming special events. Help them create their own recipe from what they already have in their home. This is like a culinary mystery basket for chefs. The possibilities are endless. You can help instruct home cooks with even step-by-step instructions. Promote your own live interactive dinner events in Schefter, supporting and creating delicious food and incredible memories. Some of the early features will include the ability to send home cooks real-time information while you're in session. Below the call screen is where you can search for videos and recipes. Type in the key search term and look for the item. This will allow you to offer very specific and effective information to the home cook. They can access it by shrinking their screen and going to their activity menu. You can send us links to your own YouTube videos if you have them or want to create them. This can allow you to translate detailed information and be more effective. This will be a powerful tool. Another way home cooks can call is by calling from a recipe. When you answer, you will see the recipe listed at the top right of the page and below the call screen. How to book your reservation and personal kitchen calls. In your email, you'll receive a request based upon the times you have set in your schedule. Click on the reservation icon in your navigation bar to accept the requested call and let the user know that the request has been accepted. This is very important, and we ask you to please respond as soon as possible to the request. Both the cook and the chef will receive notifications when the time for the reservation is approaching. Accept the call in your personal kitchen to begin the session. Last thing, rate the experience with the call and the caller. This can let Schefter know how we can better our service. You can check your reviews to see what people are saying about you. We hope this tutorial will better help you understand how to be the most effective on Schefter. Support, motivate, inspire better food for everyone.